So today I just received my new Ancheer Electric bike. Pretty excited about this. I've been looking at one of these for a while and finally found one that was not going to break the bank, so we're going to unbox it today. So here's the box opened up. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and break all these zip ties. Here we have all the parts. Looks like we have a... I really don't know what all this is. This is the kickstand right here, the seat. Right here is the instructions. Looks like a bag of tools here. We have a charging cable here and reflector for the back. We have some pedals. And Bella here is going to help us break open all these zip ties. Here we have most of it unpackaged. Front tires over there. I'm going to go ahead and put this on next. Here, the post for the handlebars. So one thing I will say is that not all the tools that were included in this kit work for this. For example, this screw for the seat post. You do have to have a different Allen key. Those Allen keys down there do not work for that. And then also right here for the post for the handlebars. So here we are. She's all put together. Has a full battery out of the box, so we're gonna go and put this thing to the test. See how she rides on her maiden voyage. Looks pretty nice for a mountain bike style. Got the little light right there with the horn. It's got the Shimano gears with the light right here and the horn right there. This is a little control panel for the battery and the power assist. That's the battery right there. It comes with this locking key to remove the battery when you want to charge it. That's the little power box. And of course the 250 watt motor back there. It does come with a kickstand, and it's got these really nice disc brakes on the back there. Hopefully they work real good. It did come with one of these quick release tire things for the bottom. It's kind of nice if you want to take it somewhere with you. I didn't want the folding bike. I thought about the folding bike, but changed my mind after a while. Alright, so I do want to say that on a nice incline, you gotta have it on medium power minimum. If you have it on low power, it's just not enough. I would say the mid function works the best. If you're on a completely flat surface, then low is the best setting for that. And I don't find too much difference between the mid and the high. So definitely recommend the mid. Alright, so I just got back to the house and I killed the battery already. However, I have been on it since about 11 o'clock this morning, and it's now about 6:30, and I've been using just the low power mode, but you know, it gets around really well. I weigh 255 pounds, and I thought this bike was not going to be enough to push me around, but it did really, really well. I'm really happy with it. It's on its first charge right now inside the house, and then I'll put on some more miles on it, and I think it's a great buy for $600, so well worth the money.